Hi gardeners, welcome to Mr. Nik Gardens. Mr. Nik here, and first off today I wanted to check on our pea plants. Last episode we finished building this TP trellis and our pea plants are doing great. They're growing taller, they're grabbing onto the string with their tiny little arms, and soon we will have some flowers on them which will then turn to peas. So I will keep you posted on our pea plants as we go along. All right, but today we are going to talk about making a gnome garden. So with gardening, there's a lot of different ways that you can have fun doing it. And one of the most important things about gardening is to have fun. So I like to have a big space. I like to grow vegetables, and that's how I have the most fun. But for a lot of people, that's too much work. They don't want to have to take care of all of this space. Or maybe they live in an apartment and don't have as big of a backyard. Or they just don't want to have all the responsibility of taking care of a big space like this. So Miss Robyn, who helps make these Mr. Nik Garden videos, she doesn't like to do this. She likes to grow herbs inside, and she makes these awesome little gnome gardens. So we're gonna head back over to the porch and we'll get things started over there.
Gardeners, I'm Miss Robyn. I help Mr. Nik with Mr. Nik Gardens, and last week he told you we're gonna make a gnome garden. So this is my gnome garden. Here's two of my little gnome friends right here. I have all the supplies ready, and we're gonna show you my gnome garden.
All right, so like we talked about earlier, there's lots of different ways that you can have fun gardening. Miss Robyn loves gnomes, so she made a gnome garden. But what if you don't like gnomes that much? Well, Evan, our neighbor, loves dinosaurs. So you could set up a little dinosaur garden if your family says that's okay. Make sure to use toys that you don't mind getting a little dirty or wet from the rain. But these are Evan's dinosaurs in their little dinosaur garden. Ooh, and look, our neighbor Warren likes Peppa the Pig, Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. We got Daniel and his mom here. Got Thomas the Tank Engine and some awesome racing cars. Warren, our neighbor, likes these kinds of toys, so we made a little garden for them. Last but not least, our neighbor Molly loves to play house and loves Unicorn Girl. So we have Unicorn Girl here and her little house set up in the garden. She's got a cupcake. There's a baby up here. Molly loves Unicorn Girl, so this is Unicorn Girl's garden. All right, gardeners, thanks for gardening with me. Remember, always ask an adult before starting a garden project so that everyone can stay safe. Now next week, super exciting, we're gonna be planting some seeds outside. We've been waiting for the weather to be warm enough to make sure that anything we plant survives, because if it freezes, some plants can't handle that and won't make it. But we're in the clear now, so next episode we'll be planting some cucumbers and zucchini and tons of fun stuff. All right, thank you for gardening with me today. Remember to ask an adult to subscribe to my channel, and happy gardening.